Welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva AI on your phone. First, log into your Canva account using either a browser or the Canva app. Next, select a template. I'll choose any template. Then tap Create Blank. On the lower part of the screen, you'll see different icons. Click Apps to search for Magic Media. If Magic Media is already on the list, just type it in. Now we can create a photo based on your text. Type your prompt. For example, I will type in dog sitting on the beach. I'll just generate image and wait for it. Now you'll see the generated AI photos. Select one or tap generate again if you're looking for more options. And once you're satisfied in the image, just save it and use it on your Canva edits. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.